Ever tried to start a new habit and only to drop it a few days later? You had motivation, you had a plan, but somehow it just didn't stick. You're not lazy and your willpower isn't broken. You just need a better system. Let's fix that. Here are 5 practical life pro tips that will help you build a habit and actually make it stick. Start ridiculously small. Most people fail at habits because they start too big. You don't need to meditate for 20 minutes. Just sit for 2 minutes. Big changes create resistance. Small ones slip under the radar. So start tiny, too small to fail. Once it becomes automatic, then you can grow it. And here's the key. It's better to do 1 minute daily than 30 minutes once a week. Repetition builds identity. Repetition builds belief. Stack it on something you already do. Want your new habit to become part of your day? Attach it to a routine you already follow. Examples: after brushing your teeth, stretch for 30 seconds. After making coffee, write 1 journal line. After turning off your alarm, drink water. The brain loves patterns. Link your habit to one and it sticks faster. Your environment shapes your behavior more than you think. Want to read more? Leave the book on your pillow. Drink more water. Put a bottle on your desk. Trying to cut sugar? Don't keep it at home. Make the habit easy to start and hard to ignore, because willpower fades. Design beats discipline. Even a sticky note, a reminder tone, or a single word on your mirror can become a silent nudge. Track it visually. Progress feels good, but it also needs to be seen. Use a calendar app or simple habit tracker to mark each day you show up. Each check builds momentum. Miss a day? It's okay. Just don't miss twice. That's how consistency is built, 1 dot at a time. Even 10 seconds of success counts. What matters is the signal you send to your brain. I did it again. That signal builds trust in yourself. Act like the person you want to become. Don't just try to eat healthy. Be someone who values their body. Don't attempt to write. Be a writer. When you shift from doing to being, the habit becomes who you are. You don't need to get it perfect. You just need to start showing up as that version of you today. Say it to yourself. I'm becoming someone who... That sentence alone changes how your brain sees the habit. It becomes less of a task and more of a truth. New habits don't stick because of motivation. They stick because of systems, cues, and small wins stacked daily. So keep it small, keep it simple, and keep showing up. If this video helped you, give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it. You've got this. See you in the next Life Pro Tips video.